Hey everybody, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I'm so excited to show you two new products from Monos today. They launched while I was traveling, and the second that I saw them, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have them. Earlier I did my new Monos duffel review, and today I'm going to be reviewing their crossbodies. So not only am I going to show you both new crossbodies today, but I'm also going to show you the Metro Sling, which I don't think that I've reviewed on here before, but I do own it. We'll go over the ins and outs of each one, and then of course we will go ahead and pack it at the end so you can see exactly what fits inside. And then you can make your own decision as to which Monos crossbody or sling is right for you. And of course, as most of you guys know, I am a Monos brand ambassador, which means I get sent Monos products to review and you guys get a discount code. So be sure to check out the description and the pinned comment for your discount on anything Monos. Whether you want one of these crossbodies, whether you want a duffel or a backpack, or even a piece of luggage. And of course, please be sure you're subscribed to our channel. We travel often and pack well and want to help you guys do the same. So on Saturdays, we do luggage reviews and reviews of travel essentials. And then on Wednesdays, we do packing tutorials so that you can learn how to pack carry-on only, just like I have in 92 countries and all 7 continents. Also check us out on Instagram because we put a lot more content out on there that doesn't necessarily fit here on YouTube. All right, let's get started. Now, I want to start off by saying that the fact that Monos has accessories too and not just luggage is incredible because their quality of luggage and bags is amazing, which is why I keep reviewing their stuff. Let's introduce you to the bags. This one here is the Metro Crossbody. This is the biggest one I'm going to be showing you today. This one is the mini crossbody, and both of these are the new ones that I'm going to be focusing on. But I'm also going to be showing you their Metro Sling, which I actually bought personally before Monos and I ever really had a relationship. So both of these new crossbodies come in only the vegan leather, and it comes in all 4 vegan leather colors. Now, before, when I went over all of the vegan leather products from Monos, they didn't have the brand new carbon black yet, and now they do. So both of these bags are available in carbon black, saddle tan, mahogany, or ivory. And of course, all of the vegan leather is water resistant and scratch resistant. A lot of Monos bags do come in the nylon version as well, but these brand new crossbodies do not. I don't know if they have a plan to put them in the nylon or if they're just going to focus on the vegan leather. Because the sling is a little bit older, it's been around for a few years, this one comes in only 3 of the vegan leather colors, so it doesn't include the carbon black, but it also does come in the nylon. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and go over the sizing. So this one is the regular crossbody, or I'm just gonna go ahead and refer to it as the larger crossbody. It is 10 inches long, 6.5 inches high, and just under 3 inches deep. It does hold 2.75 liters and weighs just under 2 pounds. And the strap is adjustable, obviously, so it can go over your body no matter if you're as tall as me or super petite. There are often times I do have trouble finding good crossbodies because I am such a long, tall person. So the fact that this fits on me so well makes me very, very happy. For real, you guys, when I was just in Italy and I wanted to treat myself to a nice little leather bag, as soon as I would put it on my body crossbody style, it would only come to like right under my chest, and I'm sorry, that's not a crossbody to me. It needs to go about to my hip. This is how it fits on me crossbody style. Keep in mind I am 5'10" and I am a size 2X. Of course, you can go ahead and adjust it to be a shoulder bag as well, but I really love a crossbody, especially when I'm traveling. While we are going over dimensions, let's go ahead and do the dimensions of the mini crossbody. And you guys, I'm so excited for the launch of this little one because there are definitely times that I just want to go out and about with something this small. Okay, I don't want to bring something that huge. So this I've actually been wearing a lot. So the height on this is just under 8 inches. The width is 6 and the depth is just about 2. It holds 0.88 liters and is 0.73 pounds. Super lightweight. This has the exact same adjustable strap. It's just a little bit thinner. So here it is on me, crossbody style. But then also too, if you want to make it a shoulder bag, you go right ahead. Here it is as a shoulder bag. And then real quick, just because we are comparing it to the sling, let's go ahead and measure the sling so you guys can see. The length on this is about 10.5. The height is just under 6, and it is about 2 inches of depth. This is how the sling fits on me crossbody. I absolutely love wearing this out and about all the time. And then of course, because it's a sling, you could totally go retro and wear it down on your waist, like a fanny pack. And again, I am so happy that this does fit me even though I'm plus size, because again, there's tons of bags out there that do not fit me as a crossbody or as a fanny pack. All right guys, it's tour time and let's go ahead and start with the crossbody. Like I said, vegan leather. And you guys, I've gotten some comments that are like, isn't it just plastic? We call it vegan leather, okay? If you want a leather bag, but you don't want to, you know, have leather because it's made from an animal, then this is just a really good alternative. And when you see the quality of this versus the quality of some plasticky type of bag at Walmart or something, you will see how incredible and beautiful this is. So in the front, we do have the Monos logo right here. It is very, very subtle. It is shaped like a nice little rectangle, and I think it's really cute, honestly. I've seen a couple people comment that they don't like how it looks, but I don't have a problem with it at all. I was very attracted to this bag at first sight. Obviously, there's not much on the front besides that, so I'm going to turn it to the back, and you do have this pocket right here, which is great. I love having an easy access pocket on the outside, especially when I'm out running errands. So this is the strap. It is the thicker one of the two that I'm going to show you today, and it is adjustable, like I said. There's all of these little holes, and there is this little peg, and you just go ahead and put it in the holes and adjust it to your body. So then we have the zipper pulls right here, and they are just a vegan leather that's stitched together, and it does have the double zipper, which is great. The thing that I love the most about this bag, you guys, is that it zips all the way down. But look how far this opens. If it were to only zip open to here, that would be very difficult to find all of your stuff. First, you have kind of this bigger slip pocket here that fits a lot of stuff and is great to organize. Then you have this rather large opening and this rather large opening. Of course, you do have this zippered pocket right here to be able to separate your stuff. And then when I flip the bag over, on the other side of that zippered compartment, there are 4 little slots. Of course, you can go ahead and use that for cards. And of course, what would a crossbody be without a key leash to go ahead and put your keys? When I am traveling, I like to attach a wallet to this so that if there is a pickpocket, it's not very easy to get my stuff. Stay tuned for the end of the video when I put a whole bunch of stuff in here so you can see how much it holds. But now let's move on to the mini crossbody. Now this one does have this nice little flap. It does have that same Monos logo, but it's down here. Again, very subtle. It does have the straps, again, that are adjustable. And these ones are a little bit thinner compared to the one on the bigger crossbody. Here is the thickness difference. But of course, there is an area in the back to hold stuff for easy access. And I have definitely been slipping my phone in there when I have used this while I'm running around. So let's go ahead and open it up, and it's just kind of long and skinny. So there is one bigger slip pocket here that is the entire back side of the bag. And then there are 2 little card pockets inside. And that's it for this, you guys. It's super easy. And this size can be very, very nice when you're just carrying all of this stuff and all you want is your phone, your wallet, and a couple of other essentials. Let's go ahead and go over the sling. Again, Monos logo right here. Again, pocket on the back, but this one is zippered. And this I've definitely been known to like throw money in and stuff, you know, when you're cashing out at a register and they hand you your change and you don't want to open up your wallet and put it back in because there's people behind you. I dump it all in here. So then this one has a zippered pocket and it holds all of this stuff. Of course, you do have a key leash. You do have a zippered pocket here, and then you do have two little slip pockets right here. There's this other little slip pocket here too. I like having the zippers on this one because when you are wearing a crossbody, you don't need to have like a slip pocket here. You want to actually kind of unzip it. This one too has this kind of belt here because it needs to just be a little bit more sturdy, especially if it's going to be on your waist. Now, I definitely love all three of these, and I would probably use them all in different situations. I would definitely travel with all of them 100%. All right, so let's start filling some stuff up, and let's start with the smallest one. I'm gonna start by taking my iPhone 14 and slipping it in the back. Then we can open it up. You can either put your normal wallet in there, especially if it's a slim one, or you can take your significant cards out and put it in the slip pocket. So let's just go ahead and put my wallet in there. I don't really ever go anywhere without my chapstick, so we will slip that in there as well. And let's pretend we're on a trip and then I need my passport. We can put that in this little pocket. If I'm out and about and I'm not traveling, I'm obviously gonna have my keys, which I can throw in there as well. There's not a key leash on this one, but it fits perfectly. You could definitely fit a little bit more things in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and stop with that. So this is it, all packed on my body. Oh, here I am. I need to be on my phone. Oh, here we go. I need my wallet. Easy peasy, guys. Now let's go ahead and go to this medium one, the sling. Again, let's go ahead and put our phone on the outside pocket, and I want to put my chapstick in there as well. And I'm going to put my keys on the key leash. Then of course we have a little travel wallet. Let's go ahead and put in a pair of sunglasses. And then we can also do a lip gloss, maybe some mints. Let's go ahead and put the passport in case we're traveling with this. There you have it. Fully packed on my body or on my waist. All right, now let's move on to the big guy, and we're gonna put everything that I just put in the other bags and then some. On the outside, we'll put the phone again. Let's put the keys on the key leash. Let's put in the wallet. Let's put in the sunglasses. Let's go ahead and put the lipstick and the chapstick just a little bit separate. We have a passport that we will throw in that slip pocket as well, and the mints, and that's just in the back half. We haven't even started with the front yet. So what I'm gonna put in is my big fat portable charger, because I always travel with this and I always have it on me, and I could still fit more. But we'll stop there. Here it is, fully packed, you guys. Super comfortable, not heavy at all. All of my essentials I need for every day. And then I know some of you guys are gonna ask, can it fit a water bottle? It really depends on the size of your water bottle, but I went ahead and grabbed this kind of short, skinnier one, and it's 12 ounces, and it fits. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys, so that is it for the review of the crossbodies from Monos. I really want to know which ones you guys are more likely to use, whether it's for everyday life or for travel. I think you can't go wrong with either one of these. They are all incredible. It just depends on if you want something super small for just tiny little essentials, if you want something that fits a lot more, or if you want something that you can do crossbody or put around your waist. I'm sure glad I have all three, because I wouldn't be able to make this decision. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, go ahead to the description or the pinned comment and get yourself a discount off of anything Monos. Again, you are getting quality, luxurious items that are going to last a really long time. And of course, be sure you're subscribed, especially if you want to travel often and pack well like I do. Thanks, you guys. I will see you next time. Bye.